Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Thushara. So, hope you're all doing good. So, today I'm going to explain the chapter of soil, the ninth chapter of NCERT textbook of 7th grade. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, let's start with what is soil and its importance. Soil. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the earth's surface. It is formed by weathering of rocks. Importance. Soil is an important natural resource. It helps in growth of plants by holding the roots and supplying nutrients and water. It is essential for agriculture. Soil is a habitat of several organisms like earthworms, millipedes, centipedes, etc. So, here you can see an activity which is based on layers of soil. So, let's go through it. Take a glass tumbler, 3/4 filled with water. Add a handful of soil in a glass tumbler. Stir it well with a glass rod and leave it undisturbed for some time. We can see different layers of particles of different sizes. The rotting dead plant and animal remains at the top is humus. Below it are layers of clay, sand, and gravel. So now let's go through soil profile. A vertical section through different layers of soil is called a soil profile. The layers are called horizons. Each layer is different in color, texture, and chemical composition. So, as you can see here, this is the picture of the soil profile, and you can see A horizon, which is also known as topsoil, B horizon, C horizon, and last comes the bedrock. So now let's know about these horizons in detail. Horizons. A horizon. It is the uppermost layer of soil. It is also called topsoil. It is in dark color and rich in humus. It provides nutrients to plants and it is soft, porous, and retains more water. So let's go through B horizon. It is the second layer. It has less humus but more minerals. It is harder and more compact. C horizon, it is the third layer. It is made up of small lumps of rocks. And the lowermost is the bedrock, which is made up of hard rocks. Now let us go through formation of soil. Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces by the action of wind, water, and climate. And this process is known as weathering. So, in the below picture, here in this picture, you can see the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces. So, this breakdown of rocks leads to formation of soil. So, this breakdown is called weathering. So, soil is a mixture of rock particles and humus. So, as these rocks break down, they are saying that soil is a mixture of rock particles and humus. Now let's go through types of soil. So there are different types of soil. Let's go through details of them. So mainly there are three types of soil, which are sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. So now let us go through detailedly about each soil. In sandy soil, particles are large in size and they have more space between the particles filled with air. They do not retain water and are light and dry. And next is clayey soil. In clayey soil, the particles are smaller, they have less space between them and have less air. They retain more water and are heavy and wet. Now next is loamy soil. In loamy soil, the particle size is between those of sand and clay. It contains humus and has the right water holding capacity, so it is the best soil for the growth of plants. So now let's go through percolation rate of water in soil. So how fast water passes through soil is known as percolation rate. Now let us go through an activity based on this. Activity: take a PVC pipe about 20 centimeter long and 5 centimeter diameter. Place it about 2 centimeter in the ground. Pour 200 ml water slowly into it and note the time taken for the water to percolate. The rate of percolation of water can be calculated by using the following formula. So the formula is rate of percolation is equals to amount of water in milliliters divided by percolation of time in minutes. So these units you have to keep in mind because units are the main thing. So this is the formula of percolation, rate of percolation of water. So now let us go through our next topic, which is moisture in soil. Soil contains moisture. The amount of moisture is different in different types of soils. Clay soil contains more moisture, and whereas if you see in sandy soil, it contains the least. So now let us go through one more activity based on this topic. So now you take some soil in a boiling tube and fix it to a stand. Heat the soil with a burner. Drops of water are formed in the boiling tube. The water from the soil evaporates and condenses in the inner walls of the boiling tube. This shows that soil contains moisture. So when you are heating the soil, some water droplets are formed. They evaporate and they condense in the inner walls of the boiling tube. So this evaporation, condensation, so this formation of water droplets shows that soil is containing the moisture. Now let us go through another activity. Take a funnel, fold a filter paper and keep it in the funnel. Weigh 50 grams dry soil and pour it in the funnel. Measure a certain amount of water in a measuring cylinder. Pour it drop by drop all over the soil till it starts dripping. Subtract the amount of water left in the measuring cylinder from the original amount. This is the amount of water absorbed by the soil. Calculate the percentage of water absorbed by the soil. So now weight of soil is equals to 50 grams. Initial volume of water is equals to, let's take U ml. Final volume of water, let's take VML. Volume of water absorbed by the soil is equals to UML minus VML, which means initial volume of water minus final volume of water. And the next, percentage of water absorbed is equals to U minus V divided by 50 into 100, which means initial volume of water minus final volume of water divided by 50 into 100 multiplied by 100. Soil. Now let's go through next topic, which is soil and crops. Different types of crops are grown in different types of soil, and clayey and loamy soils are suitable for growing wheat and pulses. Clayey soil containing organic matter is suitable for growing paddy. Sandy and loamy soils are suitable for growing cotton. So now we have come to end of our explanation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Unbox New Ideas with me. So this video is to give an idea for you for the PPT presentation of soil chapter, and you can also take it as an explanation of this chapter. So hope this video was helpful for you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.